Welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to remove repost from TikTok. So, guys, if you ever wondered on how to delete repost from TikTok, first thing is just simply go ahead and go open up the TikTok application into your device. Now, over here on the TikTok app, you could just simply go ahead and go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, here on your profile, you will have multiple tools over here, as you can see, guys. So just simply go to the repost category. And now you should be able to see all of the list of reposts that you did. Now, to order to remove repost, you could just simply select a specific video. And now from here, you could just simply tap on you reposted over here, and you will have the pencil icon on the left side of the screen. So go ahead and tap on it. And now from here, you will have an option reposted. So guys, from here, tap on reposted. And now from here, you will have an option remove repost. So you could just simply go ahead and tap on remove reposts. And now it will now be removed. And when you go back to your profile and go to the repost category, as you can see over here, it is now removed on your profile, and there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.